Oh, hello. All right. Oh, what day is it?
It's the 17th.
17th.
Yeah, you've been asleep for 17 days. It's nearly Christmas.
Oh, right. So open this box.
Yeah, you're going to be Father Christmas today.
Oh, all right. Oh, I like being Father Christmas. Now, I need to open number 17 today, and it's going to be... Da, 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 da. Oh, that's nice.
What is it?
Well, it's a face cream.
Can you pronounce this?
It's a body lotion.
It's a body lotion. Who
Aqua
by?
Di Parma.
So want to say that again?
Aqua Di Parma.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can have it
It's
if you want it.
No, thank you. It's in the men's thing, is it?
Yeah, it's unisex.
No, it's for later. Well, it'll smell like, I suppose. Oh, it smells nice. Yeah, too nice. Well, I suppose I could try a little bit, I suppose.
Be careful. Okay.
Oh, it is nice, yeah, it is nice, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
well, Merry Christmas. That can be your one Christmas present.
Oh, well, thank you very much. That's nice. I like that. Thank you very much.